Hello students, welcome to this class. In this class I will explain the centrifugal force, which is a fictitious force experienced in a rotating frame of reference. At the position vector r in a rotating frame, this is the force experienced by a particle. And we can see that it is equal and opposite to centripetal force. You can look at this diagram. In this diagram, this R is the position vector of some particle, and that is in a rotating frame of reference. And from an inertial frame or non-rotating frame, the particle seems to be rotating in a circle of radius r sin theta, where r sin theta is the opposite side of this right angle triangle. So if hypotenuse is r, then this is r sin theta. So the particle is rotating in a circle of radius r sin theta. So if you calculate a magnitude of this centrifugal force, then you will get this. Since omega cross r is perpendicular to omega, so the angle between them is 90 degrees. So this is the first cross product, and the second cross product is between omega and r. And you can see this is the direction of omega, this is the direction of omega, and this is the direction of r. So angle between them is this angle theta. So if you take that magnitude of omega cross r, you will get omega r sin theta. So this is mr sin theta omega square. Mr omega square is the formula for centripetal force, and it is towards the center, and it is required for any kind of circular motion. The direction of this centrifugal force is away from the center, so it is opposite to centripetal force. That can be understood in the following way. If you take omega cross r, you can see this is the direction of omega cross r, which is into the plane of the paper, and the direction of omega cross r is obtained by rotation of right-handed screw from omega to omega cross r. So that will be moving in this direction. So we have a negative sign here. Minus m omega cross r will be in the opposite direction. So that is away from the center of rotation. So that is the centrifugal force. For the rotation of Earth, omega is already having a magnitude 10 raised to minus 5. So omega square will be, the magnitude of omega square will be of the order of 10 raised to minus 10. That is very small quantity. So effect of centrifugal force is not much there on the surface of the Earth. In chemistry, it is widely used in separating mixtures using a device called centrifuge. Another application is a spin dryer of washing machines. So when the washing tub or spin tub is fastly rotating, there will be outward force on water particles. So water will be thrown away from the tub through the holes.